Hello, in front of me I have CAT S52 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the night mode on this device. First we need to open the settings, and to do it just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's tap on display. And here we have night light option. Let's tap on it. Now we can turn it on by tapping turn on now. And as you can see, the screen became orangish. That means that the night mode is turned on. To turn it off, just tap the turn off now button. You can also change the intensity of it while it's turned on by just sliding this slider right here. And you can also set up schedule for it. So let's tap on schedule. Here you can select turns on at custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. If you select at custom time, you can tap on start time right here to set the hour on which it's gonna be turning on by just dragging your finger around the watch face like that, and end time. You just do the same like this, and that's how you turn on the night mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.